Hello everyone. In this video, I solved this math Olympiad question. This question is 8 power x plus 27 power x over 12 power x plus 18 power x equal to 7 by 6. How to solve this question? So first of all, I can say here is 8. So we know that 8 equal to 2 to the power 3. And here is 27. So 27 is equal to 3 power 3. And here is 12. We know that 12 equal to 4 times 3 and 4 equal to 2 to the power 2 times 3, and here is 18. So 18 equal to 9 times 2, 3 to the power 2 times 2. Now I can say here is 8 power x. So we know that 8 equal to 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 power is x plus 27 equal to 3 power 3 power x over, here is 12. 12 equal to 2 power 2 times 3. I put on this value in this line. So 2 to the power 2 times 3 power is x plus 18 equal to 3 power 2 times 2 power x equal to 7 by 6. Now, according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n power m equal to a to the power m power n. I follow this formula in this line. Now, to the power x power 3 plus 3 power x power 3. Here is 2 to the power 2x. So I can say easily 2 to the power x power 2. Here is 3 power x plus 3 power x power 2 times 2 to the power x equal to, this fraction is 7 over 6. Now let 2 to the power x equal to a and 3 power x equal to v. Now I can say, we know that 2 to the power x equal to a, so aq plus 3 to the power x equal to v, so vq over a square v plus b square a equal to 7 over 6. Now, according to math rules, we know that aq plus vq equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square over, here is ab is common, so I can say a plus v equal to 7 over 6. Now here is ab is cancelled, because of that 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x not equal to 0. Here is 2 to the power x plus 3 to the power x not equal to 0. Now I can say 6 times a square equal to 6a square minus 6ab plus 6b square equal to 7 times ab equal to 7ab. Now 6a square minus 6ab, here is 7ab, so minus 7ab plus 6b square equals to 0. Now we know that 6a square minus 6ab minus 7ab equal to 13ab plus 6b square equal to 0. Now factorization, I can say easily 6 times 6 equal to 36, and if I divide 2, I can say here is 18. If I divide 2, I can say there is 9. If I divide 3, now I can say this is 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and 4 times 9 equal to 36. Now I can see easily 6a square minus 9ab minus 4ab plus 6b square equal to 0. Now here is 3a is common. Now I can say 2a minus 3b minus Here is 2b is common, so now I can say 2a minus 3b equal to 0. Now 2a minus 3b is common, so 2a minus 3b, here is 3a minus 2b equal to 0. Now I can say easily 2a minus 3b equal to 0 or 3a minus 2b equal to 0. Now I can see easily 2a equal to 3b and 3a equal to 2b. Now I can say a over v equal to 3 over 2, and here is a over v equal to 2 over 3. Now we know that a equal to 2 to the power x and v equal to 3 to the power x. So I put on this value in this line. Now I can say we know that a equal to 2 to the power x, b equal to 3 to the power x equal to 3 over 2, and now I can say 2 over 3 power x equal to 3 over 2 power 1. According to exponential rules, we know that power are power same, so x equal to 1. And again, here is a equal to 2 to the power x and v equal to 3 to the power x equal to 2 over 3, and now I can say 2 over 3 power x, and here is 3 over 2 power is 1. I just change the place. Now I can say x equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Thank you all.